Hey everyone, this is Joanna. Welcome to my channel. This video is going to be 3 lunchbox ideas, so things I take to work and eat at work. I work from 9 to 5, so I'm there for quite a few hours, and this is how I save money. I never buy anything at work if I can avoid it. Like if there's something that I want to buy, I buy it, but I try to bring everything from home. So I'm going to show you what's in my lunchbox just to give you ideas. Maybe you can leave ideas of quick lunch ideas, ideas of quick lunch ideas in the description box, not in the description box, in the comment section. And yeah, let me show you what day 1 is. First of all, let's start with my lunchbox, which I got from TK Maxx. It's got polka dots. It was about £5, and it's insulated on the inside. And there's a little pocket here. And I'm going to tell you what I put in the little pocket later on. Very sturdy and really, really big. It fits a lot of things. Now, what am I taking to work for lunch? It doesn't mean that I'm going to eat all these things, but I do like having them with me. And then I just, you know, change or take the next day with me or something like that. So the M&S Belgian milk chocolate rice cakes. These are quite tasty. I like them. I always get some kind of dry fruit, like this one's mango, which is good. Haven't eaten it, or I just have a little elastic band and I tie everything up. This is my snack box. So in here I have like cookies or little pretzel thingies, you know, those, and the chocolate that's left over from my advent calendar. And I have these by my desk, and I just nibble a mandarin. And today I had frozen spinach pie in my freezer. So that's an idea. Like, always try to make stuff and put them in the freezer, and then you just take them out and take them with you to work. So this is frozen pie, spinach pie. By the time I go to work, it will have, like, it will be all right. And we have a microwave oven at work, so that's going to be fine. I've taken some napkins, a fork, gum, and dental floss. This goes in the little pocket. And, sorry about that. And I always have maybe some tea or something, just in case we don't have tea at work, because I've stopped drinking coffee and I'm drinking tea at the moment. So this is what I'm going to be eating at work today. I have 3 pieces of spinach pie. So yeah, this is today's lunch. I'll show you the next one soon. Morning everyone, this is day 2. I'm going to show you what I'm going to take to work today. Making this salad, and I used this crispy florets bag from Tesco. It has, what does it has? A mix of strong and reddish delicate lettuce and frizzy, I don't know how to say that. So I've also put a little bit of carrot in it. I'm going to grate a tomato in it, and I'm going to put fig, crouton, and this. I got this salad topper from Sainsbury's. Really nice. I love putting them on my salad. So I'll show you the final result, because this is my process. So here is my salad. I grated some, it's got a lot of salt, but I grated the tomato, and that was sea salt. And I put in some figs. I have my super seeds here in another little container, because I don't want to mix them now, because they're going to get soggy by lunchtime. I need to get some crouton, and I'm going to show you what else is going in my lunch bag. So I have an orange here, the chocolate biscuits, my seeds, mango, the salad, and mini pretzels. So all this is going to go in here in my bag, so I can take it. I'm also going to take a fork with me and a napkin, and then I'm going to shut it. And this is day 2. So yeah, I'm going to get some crouton from the supermarket. And that's that. We're going to move on to day 3. Everyone, this is day 3 of my lunch box ideas. And I'm just going to show you what salad I made today. And yeah, let's see. These are going to go in my lunchbox. Just because I take them doesn't mean I eat them. Like, I had these in my lunchbox before. So if I feel like it, I'll eat them. Also a banana, I made a Greek salad. My version of the Greek salad is with feta, cucumber, tomato, and that's it because I don't have anything else. I also got these, which are, what are they? They are the Sainsbury's Cargs, Emmental cheese and pumpkin seed. They're really tasty. I love them. And I just stick them in my salad so they go a bit softer. I got some dry apricots, which I had from last time and I haven't eaten. Some crisps, just in case I want them. And mandarin. And some chewies. And all these are going to go in my lunchbox. And this is what I'm taking with me today to work. So, these were my 3 lunchbox ideas and mostly salad ideas. Let me know what you take to work, like little snacks and stuff like that. Let me know if you liked this video, what kind of videos you'd like to see. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Please don't give it a thumbs down. There's no need for that. Subscribe if you enjoyed. It would be great if you joined this group. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.